Hi, this is the short tutorial on how to build a car that teleports when you reach a certain speed. Okay, so we're going to start off with a GPS. Just pick it up, make sure it's not close to the ground, because otherwise your car will actually teleport into the ground when you teleport. Okay, from left to right in these values it's X, Y and Z values of the GPS, and we want to use these for our teleporting. We'll teleport to exactly this point. So what we do is we go down to a constant value, set the number of values to 3, and the first value is 1138, so let's put that in here. 138. Second value is 13. Let's put in something close to it, doesn't have to be exactly the right value. Next one is 75. Okay, we can now get rid of that GPS chip, we don't need it anymore. Create our Jeep and just place this constant value anywhere on the back. That'll do. What else do we need? We need a speedometer. Just there will do. Make sure on the speedometer that split X, Y, Z is not checked. We need now a constant value chip with one value of 1000. I've tested this a bit and it seems that 1000 is near the top speed of the buggy, so it's quite useful for this. Okay, if we go up we need a greater than chip from gate comparison, sorry. So greater than, just place that down there. We want the buggy to teleport when the speedometer reads greater than 1000. So we take the A value from the greater than, and take the speedometer. Take the B value from the greater than, and take it into the 1000. So it will teleport when it reaches 1000 or greater. This value will become 1. This is the coordinates chip, if you remember. We're going to use this next. So if we spawn a hover drive controller, you should see it in your entities list. Pick it up, shift E it around. Doesn't have to be perfect, this, anything will do. Make sure you remember to weld it to this. It's also quite a good idea to weld all these, so just unfreeze that. Now, we don't want X velocity, Y velocity or Z velocity, but instead we want X jump target to the top value on our 3 value constant value chip. So value 1, Y jump target to output value 2, and Z jump target to output value 3. That's our coordinates input and locked. What we want next is a function which tells it when it reaches a certain speed, jump. So we go to the jump output, which is there, and add this into the greater than chip. When the speedometer reaches 1000 or more, this will equal 1, and tell the hover drive controller to jump. We're nearly finished. All we need now is a button, toggleable, values on and off, 1 and 0. Just place that down here. A wire tool. Now we want to set this button as set jump target. So just set that. Now when we press this button here, it will toggle the jump target as being set. So now if we jump to the car, and it worked. Okay, just a quick recap. When the speedometer here reaches greater than 1000, this is the 1000 chip, this will equal 1. telling the hover drive control to jump, carrying anything that's welded to it with it. This is the coordinates here, which we got off the GPS and added it into a 3-value constant value chip. This down here is the reset button, effectively. You just, once you've jumped, just jump out, toggle that back off and on again, and it should work. There are different ways to do this, but this is probably the simplest way, easiest to do.